Okay, I want to do is sugar syrup. So I have two cups of sugar in here. So I'm going to be adding 1 cup of water, and I will allow it to melt and the water evaporate. So I want it to melt and the water evaporate. So I'm going to be removing the egg white. I need the egg white for this recipe. So I'm going to be pouring it into my mixer, and I will be whipping it. So I'll be adding a little sugar in for it to feed on. So we're whipping until it becomes white. So my sugar is melted. So it's ready now. So I'm going to be adding just pinch by pinch into my into my into my mix. Actually, put it in. Very fast. Just gradually. Green color. I just added in green color to get it off white. So I'm going to scrape in all the edges. A pinch of salt to break the sweetness. This is what we want. I allow it to cool down in the fridge and see this is what you want. See that it's not dripping, it's dry. This is what we want. I allow it to cool down in the fridge and see this is what you want. See that it's not dripping, it's dropping. So now